Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my haul from Sam's Club, and this is also a collab with my friend Sarah from Sarah's Realm, so be sure and check out her video when you're finished watching this video. She is also doing a haul from Sam, and we are sharing with you each a crockpot meal. I'll have all of Sarah's information linked in the description box down below, and be sure to go check out her channel and tell her that I sent you over. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps out my channel so much. Now let's get into the haul. We like to get a swimming pool, one of these inflatable kinds for the boys each year, and for some reason it just doesn't ever make it past a season, so I decided to get this pool as soon as I saw it, because last year, I don't know, it was because of the pandemic or what, but they sold out. I literally saw the pools at Sam's Club once or twice, and then by the time we needed it, they were completely sold out. So as soon as I saw that our Sam's had a pool, I snagged it. It was only $30, which I think is pretty cheap with the size that it is, and the quality, it beats any other place that I've seen them. We also needed toilet paper, so we like to get it from Sam's Club because it's also a good price for how much you get. Now on to the food items. We bought some pizza. It's a 2-pack. We hadn't had that before, so we tried it. And then we also got a pack of biscuits, bag of garden veggie puffs. I was assuming that the kids would like these because they like the veggie straws, and they did. So that was good. We got a pack of tortilla chips and then some salmon and shrimp. This will last us for a long time. Multiple servings in it, obviously, because bulk from Sam's Club. We always get a pack of chicken, and this time we got a pack of steak and skirt steak and ground beef, and all of this meat that we got will last us a good while. I think this haul was around $300. This stuff will last us for months. On to spices. We were out of salt and pepper and the blend from Kinder's. We love that stuff. And coffee filters. So those things are items that we don't buy every time we go to Sam's Club, but we happen to be out. We also bought this non-stick frying pan because the ones that we have are just getting old and scratched up. Bought this one for $15, and I'll let y'all know how it works later on. I have been using it some, and so far so good, but I want to test it for a good while to let you know. Then we all stocked up on some fruits and vegetables: oranges, strawberries, raspberries, grapes, bananas, green peppers. I love to get the small bag of mini peppers. They're sweet. They are a good snack. I love eating those. And then the flavor bombs. Cherry tomatoes are delicious and most like homegrown. English cucumbers are also my favorite compared to the regular ones that I really don't know what their name is, but the English cucumbers. And I think that's about it. I kind of went quickly through what we got here. We always get the fruits and the vegetables. Oh, there's some mushrooms, and then we stocked up on meat, which is where a lot of our money went. And so, like I said, it was around $300, I think, kind of a little bit under, and this stuff will last us for a long time. Now let's get into the crockpot meal. So for this meal that I am showing y'all today, it is a slow cooker chicken burrito bowl. And you start off with 1 to 1.5 pounds of chicken. And so I basically just used 2 large chicken breasts, and I sliced them in half so they would be thinner, but you can also use chicken thighs or a mix. It just depends on what you like. The second thing that I did was add a cup of chicken broth plus a little bit more as needed. Then I added a can of diced tomatoes. I actually used fire roasted tomatoes because that's what I already had. It still tasted delicious. Then I added all of the seasonings before putting the lid on, and those are 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. You will cook this portion of the meal on a low setting for 3 to 4 hours or high for 2 to 3 hours. And I chose to do the high setting because dinner was coming up sooner than later and I got a late start. I went ahead and cooked mine on high. It is definitely something you'll want to start early in the morning so that it will be finished by dinner time. The chicken is pretty much ready. I'm adding in the second half of the recipe, which is a can of black beans, drained and rinsed. And you'll have to excuse how I'm doing this. I usually use a colander, but mine was dirty and I was a little lazy to wash it. So I was getting them out of this bowl that I had the beans in. But anyways, then you add a cup of frozen corn kernels and then 1 cup of brown rice uncooked, which is why this recipe takes a little bit longer. It takes another 3 to 4 hours to get the rice finished cooking all the way through. So I just kind of checked it periodically to see when the rice would get done, and then I shredded the chicken in the crock pot. If you will not be home during the day and you're trying this recipe, you can also leave the rice out so that you don't have to do the 2 different steps and cook the rice separately, because it does take such a long time to cook the rice in this meal. You can definitely do that if you don't want to have to wait so long for the rice to get finished. For the yummy toppings, I have an avocado that I'm slicing up, and I will be grating some cheddar cheese and serving with some tortilla strips that I just bought in this small bag, as well as some sour cream and cilantro. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below your go-to favorite slow cooker meal. I would love to hear what y'all cook at home for your families, and be sure to visit Sara's channel over on Sara's Realm. She has an awesome channel with so many recipes that I know you guys will enjoy. I'll have all of her info linked down below in the description box, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!